You ready, Jace?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's going?
Yeah. Let's go see it.
Look.
Four-wheeler? What's that doing there?
What is it?
A four-wheeler for me.
Santa came. Go open your presents. Go see. Go see what Santa got you.
Can't ride it in the house. You push that to make it go, but you can't go yet because you can't ride it in the house. It's too fast.
We have to take it outside.
I have to take it outside to ride it, okay? We could probably just try it a little bit. You want to drive it a little bit?
Huh?
You want to drive it a little bit?
Yeah.
And slow. Alright. Go! And then you can put it in reverse. Look, pull this back, and then you can go in reverse. Hit the gas pedal, you're going to back up now. Go again. Go again. Stop. Here. And then you can, that's slow. Go ahead.
Is it so
And
cool?
I can put...
Is it cool?
Yeah. Can I open it?
Are you so excited today?
Uh-huh.
Who came to see you last night? Do you know what those are?
Stay.
They're roller skates, so you can skate.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So you can skate. You wanna see
Hi,
that?
Nyla.
Uh-huh.
Nyla. Merry Christmas.
Here,
It's Nyla's first Christmas.
hold it like this.
Hi. Look at him.
Do it again.
Is that so cool? Wow. What is that, Jace?
A new chopper.
A new chomper?
Here,
Can I turn it on?
battery's dead.
Show me. Turn it around.
Show mom.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Got a little scared? Get a little scared there? Oh, need a push.